What's your name?
Kibou.
Kibou. And how old are you? How old are you? I'm 4.
No.
5.
No. 6.
6. I'm 6. Yes, good. What do you see?
Pig.
Hey?
Pig.
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 Yes, good. What I see?
Pig.
Pig. Yes. What do you see?
I see a dog.
Very good. High five. What do you see?
I see a cat.
Excellent. What do you see?
I see a cow. No, a cow.
Goat.
Good.
Yes, good. Goat. Very good. And what color? What color is the pig?
Color pig is pink.
Yes. And this color? What color is the dog?
Dog.
What color?
White.
Yes, good.
White.
Brown and white and black.
Black.
Yes. And oink, oink, oink. What is it?
Pig.
Yes. Yes, good. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Cock-a-doodle-doo. It's a rooster. And moo, moo, moo.
Cow.
Yes. Quack, quack, quack.
I don't know.
Quack, quack, quack.
Wait.
Duck. Yes.
I don't know.
It's okay. Don't worry. No worries. What does a dog say?
A dog say
What does a cat say?
a cat say meow meow.
What does a pig say?
A bee say quack quack quack.
Excellent. High five. Good job. What letter is it?
A.
Yes, this one.
B.
Yes, this one.
C.
This one.
D.
H.
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 I don't know.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. And what letter is for cake?
Cake.
Which one?
Cake is
C, C, K, K. What letter is for cake?
a cake.
This one or this one? Letter C is for cake. Good. And for ant? This one or this one? A. Ant,
I
yes.
don't know.
It's okay.
No.
It's okay. Okay, thank you, Kibo. Very good. Bye.